If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. We are very excited to be here. What are we making, bud?
Hot dog spiders.
Hot dog spiders. Look how cute these are. They're little spiders. See? And then we have spider web ketchup and mustard. Oops, I'm spilling it now. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Oh, I don't even have the oven on, so let's turn the oven on. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to start with hot dogs. And we're using Butcher Box hot dogs. Look at, our box just came right before we pushed play, didn't it?
Yeah.
And we have Butcher Box and we have lobster tails now. They have lobster tails, and let's see. We have a whole turkey for Thanksgiving coming up, and we have so many good things. But check it out. They're doing a deal now. If you order Butcher Box, you get free filet mignon and free lobster.
Can I cut it?
I think I'm going to cut this. So what you're going to start off with, we have our Butcher Box hot dogs, and we're going to cut a whole hot dog into eighths because we need to have, how many legs does a spider have?
8.
8, yep. So I'm going to cut it in half, and then I cut it into a fourth, and then the fourth is going to cut in half again, so I have an eighth. Okay, and use a big sharp knife to do this. So then I have, this is going to be one of the legs. All right, and I'm going to do that with 3 hot dogs because we'll make 3 spiders today. How's that sound?
Yeah.
And then all you need is some bacon, and Butcher Box doesn't have any sugar in their bacon, so we have that opened. All right. Kai, why do you love October so much?
It's close to my birthday.
It's close to your birthday. And since it's a COVID birthday, what do you want to do? I didn't ask you that. What kind of cake are we making?
Not as...
It's not a sweet cake, right?
It's a meatloaf cake.
A meatloaf cake! Watch for that. That's going to be delicious. I'm so excited. Some things just came in the mail so I can decorate it. So yeah, we have lots of nice little legs here. You know what? I won't bore you with the rest of the details. We'll just do one right now. How's that sound?
Yeah.
Because otherwise everybody's going to watch me cut, and it's kind of boring. So you're going to take 1 piece of bacon out for 1 spider. Okay, you want to switch sides with me, Kai?
Yeah.
Here, we'll just set this aside, This can go right in the middle so everybody can see. All right, so now let's move our legs onto this.
You got bacon?
What I do, I put a piece of parchment onto my, what is it called? Baking sheet. There we go.
Jesus sticked.
I know, right? So then we're going to grab some hamburger. We're going to make these into little patties because, you know what? They're cute. They're like little sliders, right? And I'm going to flatten it out and put that right in the middle of the bacon, kind of off to the side a little bit. And then I'm going to put my...
Bacon?
I know, you love bacon, don't you?
Because I hate it.
I know you do. And then I'm going to put my spider legs on the sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the legs are reaching right into the middle. I know it's hard to see. Move that off to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to kind of form the patty. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Salt it. Let's take these off. We got to add salt. We got to add a Redmond salt. Otherwise, it's not going to taste so good. A little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. There we go. Okay, so now we have our patties. And I'm going to do that again. So 1, 2. You want to tell us a Halloween joke?
Yeah.
Wait, I should have had you think of one. Oh, you know what's so cute? Those of you who like Garfield, I had a phone call with a man who owns a nice small farm, and he does heritage pork. And his name was John Arbuckle. And he has an orange cat, just like Garfield. Pretty cool, huh? Mm-hmm. I love it. I'm going to add a little bit more beef to the top of these to keep the hamburgers from losing the legs, the spiders, and I'll salt that a little bit. Okay, so now the bacon is going to just wrap around the hamburger part, okay? And I like to have the seam of the bacon on the bottom, okay? So this is what it's going to look like. Just like that, okay? Just like that, everybody. And then you're going to put it onto a baking sheet like this, and you're going to put it into the oven. And I baked mine for 15 minutes, and the bacon was perfect. And we'll catch you back in a little bit. Actually, you know what? Let's keep it going, and we are going to make the sauce, okay? So we'll put this in the oven. All right, let's make the sauce. Okay, what you're going to do is we have our Primal Kitchen ketchup, sugar-free ketchup. It's delicious, and you're going to put it into a dish like this. And then what you're going to do is, I'm going to do this because this is kind of tricky, okay? I know you needed a job.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'll show you what you could do. So I'm going to put a little dot in the middle, and then I'm going to make 3 circles that go around the outside. Well, since I'm not doing a very good job, we're going to do 2 circles. And then you need a stick. Hey, where did my chopstick go?
I'm going to leave and go back up.
Where did my chopstick go? Someone took my chopstick. You did the escalator. Oh, there it is. It's right on the side. I missed it. So you want a stick, and then you're going to make a spider web just by moving the mustard through the ketchup. Does that look like a spider web? Spider web. Cute. Can't really aim that, otherwise it's going to come up. And that's what you're going to serve your cute hot dogs with. All right? Or your spiders. We'll catch you back in a little bit.
Why does the skeleton have low self-esteem?
I don't know. Why?
Because it has nobody to love.
Why? Why does the skeleton have nobody to love?
Because
they're all alone.
he has no body.
Oh, that's got no body to love. I got it. Ha ha ha. So, all right. We have our cute skeleton things that are done. Here, I'm going to grab a plate. So now you can do it, okay, Kai? I'll let you do the cool part. All right. Okay, here we go. We're going to put the skeleton right onto a plate here. And what you're going to, or skeleton, now I got skeleton on the brain. Is that a skeleton?
No.
It's a spider, right? So I'm going to shake this up. We're going to use just regular old mustard. And I need you to put 2 dots for eyeballs, okay? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Do you want me to do it?
I'll do it.
Okay. And then what you're going to do after you have the 2 dots, be very careful. It's here.
dripped.
I'm going to do that part, and then you're going to do the eyeball, the rest of it, okay? You need 2 dots for the eyes, and then you can use the peppercorns for the pupils. Yep, there you go. And then we have a spider with the cute dipping sauce. And what do you want to tell people?
Cook with your kids.
Mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo. Which ghost is the best dancer?
What ghost is the best dancer? I don't know, Casper?
The boogeyman.
The boogeyman!
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your